Wow, the day is here. We're crossing. It's like 6 o'clock and we should be ready to take off in about 30 minutes. We got everything ready. Sad to say goodbye to Gina. She'll have fun. We're gonna miss her though. And we are off. Crazy. There's supposed to be wind. So this is the section of doldrums from right here to Galapagos. There's typically not a lot of wind this time of year, so we will see. It is forecasted to have wind. We have about 1 knot right now, so we're just motoring about 7 knots. Thought we'd get a little boat work done.
So we are doing workout stations every day for, I can't remember how long. My dad said like 12 minutes, which doesn't seem like a long time, but it's just so we have something to do every day. And we just took a break because we saw dolphins. So way out there, you might be able to see it. There's a little bit of land, but it's way out there. So all around us is water. Can't see any towns, any cities, just water. Oh wow, that one's fast.
We met a guy on Woodpecker. He's so awesome. He's by himself sailing across, and hopefully we catch up with him. But he just talked about how when he's by himself, he has a very strict schedule of what he does. So we've kind of implemented that. We're trying to put together a very clear, crisp schedule of what we're gonna do every day. So awesome. Calm as can be. Don't even have the mainsail up. Looking beautiful.
So we got a fish on the line. We don't know if we caught it yet. Connor helped.
That's awesome.
I helped fill it in. There's the fish. Holy cow.
I just randomly came out here and the string was almost all the way out. Going for a bit of a swim. Everybody's getting stung by jellyfish. All right, that was a great swim. It's crazy. There's quite a bit of current right here, and there's on the charts it says that this area is known for strong currents, but pretty cool.
We think we just caught another fish. Everybody's stealing my spot, Connor.
I know, sorry.
What do you have to say for yourself?
You have a really good spot, Ruby, and I'm sorry for taking it. I hope you can forgive me.
Nah. And Emmer, what?
Yeah. Well, you have a better view.
Oh, baby! And look at that baby.
Where's the camera?
That's huge.
Nice.
It's like,
Look at that.
we are raising our main sail. We're finally have enough wind to at least sail slow.
Smiles. What kind of fish do we got?
We have mackerel, Spanish mackerel.
Spanish mackerel.
Yummy, yummy.
Welcome to day 2. Kind of slow yesterday. We actually sailed pretty good for most of the night until about 4 a.m. and then we had to take down the spinnaker. The wind was going all around us, but now it is class. I just found Owen. Guys, up. Nobody else is up. Well, Sophia is. It's her watch, but cute boy.
Jellyfish thing last night.
Ruby got a little.
Let me see.
Not that bad though. We finally got some wind. It's so nice. It's kind of fun. There's another outremer up here a few miles. We should catch him in like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. It's always fun. It's always a race.
What are your favorite things so far on this journey?
Well, I took a nap, and that was really nice. But that wasn't my favorite thing. I would have to say swimming in the middle of the open ocean.
Okay. It's just a tuna, right?
No, this is Spanish mackerel.
Okay, we. Okay. Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Oh, that's a log.
Well, there's nothing I can do about that. We're in a pickle.
This This is probably our roughest sea state we've had. It's not rough, but it's just a little like the swell's coming from one direction, the current's coming from another direction, some waves are coming here and the wind's coming here, and so we're just kind of fighting through all that. I think it's calming down a bit.
So beautiful. Let's play the game of cover your assets. Who won, Ruby?
I'm still figuring it out. Wait one second.
Sun setting, 5 knots. We've had a crazy current, so we're going 6.5 over ground. The wind all day long has just been dying and dying and dying. So I guess not all day, but so beautiful. There's another outremer. We've had to jibe twice, but anyway, we're trying to catch them. 1 hour and like 30 minutes and we'll catch them. How's the day?
Pretty good.
Look at that. So amazing. Look at the bird. I think so. Day 3.
Sophia just kind of put together a little breakfast for us, and we're sailing. 7.1 knots.
We've been making pretty good time today until about an hour ago. The wind, it's died. We only have about 11 knots. There's quite a bit of swell, so it's super uncomfortable. We just dived to try and help get it a little bit more comfortable.
What are a couple of things you like to do for fun when we're sailing?
I like to sit on the bow on the nets and just enjoy the view. And I also like learning about the ocean we're crossing, the weather, and the islands we're going to.
That's cool.
Just had a little squall. The temperature dropped so much and it feels so good. Just had dinner. We took down the spinnaker real quick. Let this blow through for a minute.
What a squall is basically, here, I'll show you. It's not like a terrible, terrible storm, but just in case we took out that. Basically what a squall is when it's pretty here. It's the same over there. It's pretty over there. But right there, it's a big long line of a storm. And we're in it. It's just a little bit of rain, maybe some wind, but that's it.
Good morning, bird. It's been with us for, I think, I don't know, about 100, 150 miles.
Today is day 4. Last night was not too crazy. Nothing really exciting happened, but no one got a whole ton of sleep. We're sailing, and it's not rough at all.
So we just crossed over the 600-mile mark. Tomorrow we should get to the Galapagos. The wind will die more and more as we get closer. So at some point we'll have to turn on the motors and motor all the way to the Galapagos for about 24 hours. Smile! We're going 4 knots. There's a little pocket of no wind, so we're gonna pull down the spinnaker. Welcome to day 5. The weather's been awesome. A few dead spots. We're actually motoring right now. We are probably 200 miles away-ish from the Galapagos. So we've gone 736 miles so far. Average speed has been 8, which is lame. Top speed 18. Anyway, yeah, everybody seems to be in good spirits and happy. So can't ask for more than that. It's a beautiful morning. We finally got some wind, so we're gonna shut off the motors and put up sails. We're a little too high for our spinnaker into the wind, so we have a gennaker, and so we'll put that out. Should give us probably 2 knots. Wowzers! We're about to cross the equator. Ahoy, crew of the mighty Leon! Today is the day that we cross the mighty equator. Gather around as we go to a new equator.
Listen well, crew. The equator is a magical line that wraps around the Earth. Rumor has it that Neptune leaves treasures for those who pass it. Nope, can't find it.
Greetings, young sailor. Neptune, the guardian of the equator treasure. Earn my bounty, answer this. I'm not bound by the land or the sea, but you cross me on your boat with glee. What am I?
I wonder what his.
I'm not sure.
I think I know.
It's the equator! Well done, brave sailors. As your reward, here's a treasure.
Now that we have successfully crossed the equator, it's time to celebrate.
Well, thanks so much for hanging out with us this week as we started our Pacific crossing. We have about 3,000 more miles to go, a little bit more. And tonight we'll be going right by the Galapagos. It's frustrating. My stupidity, I thought we'd just cruise right through the Galapagos, but I realized we can't. You have to check in. It's all protected. So we are having to change course a lot. Probably delayed us half a day almost. We're cutting to the east side, so we're kind of going upwind right now. And then, yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll be into some awesome wind that will take us, we'll turn right and head right to the Marquesas. So thanks again for hanging out with us. Looking forward to taking you on next week's adventures.